Okay, y'all, Laura with Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriters. Gonna do a typing tutorial today for a Smith Corona Skywriter. I don't have the year in front of me, but I'll put that in the title and in the description below for you. And nice looking little guy. He's got a low profile, so this is what I would consider a travel typewriter. Comes with a zippered case. Show that to you. So this is the case. Has a zipper, but it's still got a harder side. And this one in particular has a owner's manual. If you need an owner's manual, I've scanned that owner's manual, and if you need it, I'll put a link in the description below for you. Okay, so let's see how to operate this. Let me show you what the font looks like on this one. The font's really nice. Can you see that? Excellent. Nice and clean. Really fantastic. But if you need to know how to use this, let's go ahead and take a look. So back here is going to be your paper holder. I love the paper holders. You've got your margins, which you just press and drag. Like that. This is also a very basic typewriter, so there's no tab on this. Over here, you've got your paper release. Your carriage release is this teeny tiny. Let me lift this up so I can kind of show this to you. This is your paper release. This is your carriage release here. And on this side, that is your return handle. See how small it is? And this, I'm not entirely sure what that back item is there. You've got your, let's go ahead and load some paper so you can see how it loads. So you put it right behind the roller and you turn your little handle here. Oops, I don't have the paper thing engaged. It's going to come through really crooked because I felt it go in crooked. So move it back to release your paper and then forward to engage it. And make sure you have your, now on this one, I think it only goes, oh no, it goes better. Let's bring this in. So I've got my margins set. And then if you need to open it up, you just kind of lift the top here, folds up. Now this has a smaller spool on the Smith Corona Skywriter. So these are specialty spools. You cannot use a universal ribbon. If you need new ribbon on your spools, you can visit our website and look for custom ribbon. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description below. And you send us your spools and we'll rewind it with a fresh ribbon. Now this only has one color. You can pick what color you want. There's different colors out there. For single colors, we only offer black, and that's pretty standard. So you cannot use universal ribbons, only the specialty ones. And this one, I can tell the ribbon got misthreaded, which happens when you're moving it around. Let's put it, so you just pull it out because it's really loose, and you're going to want to wear gloves or something. What happened was it came out, there's a little groove right here, and that needs to go back in there. Let me see if I can pop this back down. Okay, I got it popped back down. I just had to take it out and re-pop it in, and now I gotta get this in here. Should be wearing my glasses. But let me lift this up so you can see it. Best as I can. Sorry, but it's about as close as I can get. Need to get it threaded there. That's gonna be the same on the other side. And I'll give you a close look as best I can of this area, and I don't know how else to tell you how to do it. There's a slit in the back. It looks like this came out. So I got to rethread this ribbon through this slit right here, which I'll do right now, but you're not going to be able to see anything because my hand will be in the way. And I'm gonna grab my glasses. Okay, and I'm gonna be getting ink everywhere. There we go. So, oh, and by doing that, I pulled it out of here. And I didn't say threading a ribbon was gonna be easy. It's messy, and it's a pain, but it is what it is. So let me lift this up again. And you can see that I've got it threaded in there now. And that's kind of what it looks like. Okay. Oh, here's your type keys. And then also let's look to see, this is your tension selector, determines how hard these type bars are gonna strike the paper. And then let's see where the ribbon reversal is. It's usually right in here somewhere. There it is, right there. So let me lift this up one more time. Make sure there's not one that's easier to get to. Nope, okay, so let me lift this up one more time. This right here is your ribbon reversal. Flip, flip, okay? So when you get to all the way to one end, it's not the end of the ink, just it's at the end of the spool. So, and then you flip it and you go back the other way. And you just keep going back and forth until you use up all of your ink in your ribbon. All right, let's go ahead and then down here, let me show you. You've got your space bar, you've got your caps. This is for caps and for your symbols. This is caps lock. To release caps lock, you just press down and you have a backspace, which does not erase. Now the MR is margin release. And the way that works is your bell is gonna ding when you get close to the end of your margin. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit further. So it should have dinged, but when it stops, so it's stopped right now because I'm at the end of my margin release, I'm gonna hit my margin release, which is MR, finish my word, and then go to the next line, there's the bell. Anyway, and now it's stopped. Anyway, and that is the margin release, and that's all there is to the typewriter. Oh, here we go. Here is your ribbon reversal right here. That way you don't have to pop it up. So I didn't realize that was down there. So there you go. But if yours is broken off, you know where to find it on the inside. Okay, well, I hope you found this helpful. I hope you really enjoy your Skywriter. This is a really well operating typewriter. I typed on it earlier and it types so well, feels really good. Great for coffee shops and traveling or small spaces. All right, thanks for watching. You all have a great day.